There's a kind of strength that lives quietly inside you, hidden beneath skin, muscle, and movement. It's the architecture of your body, the frame that holds you upright against gravity. Your bones, silent, steadfast, enduring. They don't ask for attention, yet they carry your every step, your every dream. But strength, like anything alive, needs nourishment. Bones are not stone, they're living tissue, constantly breaking down and rebuilding. Every day, tiny cells chip away the old and replace it with new, like craftsmen restoring a cathedral that never stops breathing. And the materials they need, calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, vitamin K, protein, trace minerals, all come from one place: your food. You are literally built from what you eat, and the choices you make each day decide whether your bones grow resilient or quietly fragile. So, let's talk about eating for strength, about what to eat and what to replace, not through fear, but through wisdom, because stronger bones don't begin in supplements, they begin in the kitchen. Sasam. Start with calcium, the mineral of structure, the core of your skeleton. We've been told for decades that milk is the only answer, but nature offers many more. Dairy helps, yes, but leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and collard greens deliver calcium in a form the body loves, paired with magnesium and phytonutrients that help absorption. Almonds, sesame seeds, and fortified plant milks carry it too. The eat this, not that is simple. Eat greens instead of processed cheese. Eat almonds instead of creamy desserts. Feed your bones life, not leftovers of industry. But calcium is just the beginning. Without vitamin D, that calcium stays locked outside, unable to enter your bones. Vitamin D acts like the key, helping your intestines absorb calcium and your body balance it. You'll find it in salmon, sardines, egg yolks, and fortified foods. And of course, sunlight. 15 minutes of morning light on your skin turns cholesterol into the very vitamin that builds strength. Light, quite literally, becomes structure. So, eat this. Salmon grilled in olive oil, eggs with their golden yolks intact. Not that. Processed meats high in sodium, which leach calcium from bones over time. Salt drains what the sun gives. Balance them wisely. Then comes magnesium, the mineral of balance. It keeps calcium in check, making sure it settles into bone rather than arteries. You'll find magnesium in pumpkin seeds, avocados, spinach, and dark chocolate. Each bite of magnesium-rich food whispers calm through your muscles and steady growth through your bones. Eat this. Avocado toast with seeds and greens. Not that. Refined white bread stripped of minerals and life. And while calcium builds and magnesium balances, vitamin K2 directs traffic. It's the former, sending calcium into bones instead of soft tissue. You'll find it in fermented foods, natto, aged cheese, yogurt, and in greens that carry vitamin K1, which your body can convert. Without vitamin K, even the best calcium can go astray. Eat this, a small portion of fermented food daily. Not that overly processed dairy with added sugars that inflame instead of build. Protein, too, is essential, the scaffolding that holds minerals in place. Many think of bones as pure calcium, but half their structure is protein collagen. Without enough, bones become brittle. Choose clean proteins: lentils, fish, eggs, beans, tofu, quinoa. These provide amino acids that stimulate bone-forming cells. Eat this, lentil soup with greens, or salmon with herbs. Not that. Red meat fried in oil, which raises inflammation and weakens bone density over time. Now let's talk about what weakens you, slowly, silently. Too much soda. The phosphoric acid in colas pulls calcium from your bones. The caffeine and sugar combination increases calcium loss through urine. Every can chips away at your structure. Swap it for sparkling water with lemon or herbal tea. Your body will taste the difference and thank you for it. Too much processed salt, another quiet thief. High sodium draws calcium out of bones to keep blood levels stable. The average diet contains far more than needed. Swap processed snacks for whole foods seasoned with herbs. Let flavor come from nature, not sodium. Excess alcohol. It interferes with vitamin D metabolism and slows bone rebuilding. A glass now and then won't harm, but nightly indulgence dulls your resilience. Swap the habit for relaxation rituals that feed your nervous system instead of numbing it. Tea, calm, laughter, and smoking. Every puff constricts blood vessels, starving bones of nutrients. It accelerates breakdown and delays repair. The opposite of nourishment is depletion. Feed life, not loss. Hydration matters too. Bones hold 20% water. When you're dehydrated, their flexibility fades. Drink throughout the day. Water, herbal teas, infusions of cucumber or mint. Hydration keeps your joints cushioned and your minerals in motion. And don't forget the gut, because you can't absorb nutrients with a troubled digestive system. Probiotic foods like kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut nurture the bacteria that help you absorb calcium and magnesium. The stronger your gut, the stronger your bones. Healing begins in the same place that nourishment enters. Imagine your daily plate: color, balance, life. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries, or oatmeal with almond milk and flaxseed. Lunch: spinach salad with salmon, avocado and olive oil. Dinner: lentils with steamed broccoli, turmeric and brown rice. Snacks: handful of nuts, a square of dark chocolate, a glass of water instead of soda. This is not a diet of denial. It's a design of strength. Every meal becomes a vote for longevity, because bone health isn't about age, it's about rhythm. Bones rebuild themselves every decade. You're not stuck with the ones you have, you're constantly crafting new ones. What you eat today shapes the skeleton you'll walk on tomorrow. Add movement to that: weight-bearing exercise, walking, resistance training, and your bones receive the signal to grow denser. Food gives the material, movement gives the message. Without both, one stays silent. There's something poetic about it, that the foods from the earth build the structure that holds you to it. Seeds, greens, grains, minerals, all once part of soil and sunlight, becoming your foundation. You are earth in motion, clay fortified by care. So eat this: whole foods alive with color and texture, not that, processed shortcuts that steal instead of serve. Eat for strength, not for size. Eat for steadiness, not stimulation. Eat to remind your body that growth never stops. You'll know it's working not just in bone scans, but in how you move. Steadier on your feet, fewer aches, more vitality. Because strong bones create strong posture, strong presence, strong life. The power of food is not in its flavor, it's in its message. Every bite either builds you or breaks you down. Choose what builds, choose what lasts. Because bones are more than structure, they're memory. They carry every fall, every rise, every movement that shaped you, and they deserve your care. Not someday, but now. So fill your plate with sunlight in edible form. Feed yourself minerals that remember mountains, plants that remember rain, proteins that remember motion. Your strength begins where your choices begin. Right here, right now. Eat this: the living, the pure, the whole. Not that, the processed, the empty, the false. Because every meal is construction. Every choice is architecture. Every bite is a brick in the home you live in, your body. And when you choose wisely, that home becomes unshakable. Stay grounded, stay nourished, stay strong. This is Vital Dynasty.